Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to change locked folder password in Google Photos. So right now let me show me my password. Let's go to collection, locked, and my password now is 4567, and as you can see I have access to locked folder. Now, to change this password, we need to change the password on your phone. So firstly I will show you how to do this on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. On the iPhone, open settings, and then you need to scroll down and you need to find Face ID and Passcode. You can also use the search and you can write passcode here or Face ID and you will find it. So click at this line if you use the search. And once you enter here, it will ask you to write your password. So let's do this for 567. And then scroll down, change passcode. Now I write my current passcode, and then I want to change to 41234. This one is my new password. 1234. Okay, we verified. Now we need to wait a bit. And we just change it. So now let's return to the Google Photos, collections, locked. And now let's try firstly the oldest password, 4567, nothing, 1234. And we change it. That's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. Okay, so first let's check previous password, my current password right now, locked, pattern, and I have something like this. Okay, and I have access. Now, open settings, then scroll down, and you need to find security and privacy. Tap at this line, scroll down, device unlock, then we have screen lock, pattern, so tap at this line, and I need to write my current pattern. Then we can change it, so I'm going to use again pattern, not pin code, and I want to change it on this. Next, confirm. Now let's return to Google Photos, collections, locked, pattern. Firstly let's try LS1, nothing, and newest. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!